SEO is dead. I said it here first. It's not really dead, but it's dying. Social media, particularly YouTube and TikTok, are probably the best things you can do for your business. Hi, my name's Jesse. Welcome back to the channel. This is the App College. We talk about marketing tips, marketing tricks, how to make money online, and how to utilize specific tools and strategies to boost your revenue. And in today's topic, we're talking about the truth about SEO and the state that it's currently in. We are no longer in the year of 2015, and a lot of a lot of softwares are scrambling right now to catch up with the ever-changing algorithm on um, on Google. It's crazy. YouTube is the way to go when it comes to promoting things now. We are we are leaving the shipyard when it comes to doing articles and promoting articles on Google. Google is a very slow and long process because you have to create articles now. And even if you create articles, you can't automate the articles with AI because Google can detect AI generated articles now. So you can't create AI generated articles and get away with it like you used to unless you're using the Quillbot. But aside from that, SEO is a slow game. It is a long game, and it's a game that I wouldn't recommend focusing on. I would highly recommend focusing on YouTube content, YouTube strategies, TikTok strategies. Anything that is video marketing is going to be the way of the future because YouTube is the new television. YouTube is literally the new medium for entertainment. It is wild. It's wild to think about because 10 years ago, YouTube wasn't as prevalent. YouTube wasn't as, as known as it is today. It was known, but it wasn't as prominent as it is right now. Right now, we are in a world where you can put out maybe 5, 10 videos, and if somebody really likes your personality or if somebody really likes your video, and I highly recommend putting your actual self on video and not automating the video with video automation because people will be able to tell an AI generated video from a video that you actually put on with your own face, right? So I believe that YouTube is going to be the way of the future when it comes to promoting your products, your services, your business, as opposed to creating an article and waiting for it to rank on the first page of Google. And I'm telling you this because I'm seeing this with a lot of people right now, who are, they're still focused, they're still stuck in the past where they think that, you know, um, websites can rank. And yes, they can rank for local SEO. Yes, you can rank a local service. It is very fast to rank a local service because there's not a lot of competition. So if you're using automation tools to rank a local service, it will rank a lot faster because there's not a lot of competition. But if you're trying to rank things that are high competition or highly known, like if you're trying to rank an article featuring ChatGPT 4, or if you're trying to rank a weight loss article, even if you're using automation tools, you're still going to get outbid by somebody that is spending tens of thousands of dollars on backlinks because they are actually paying for manual backlinks. They have a PBN network. They have literally, 5 layers of black hat SEO. A lot of these, technical SEO gurus are depending on strategies that are slowly becoming outdated. And, SEO is going to be a thing where if you are not putting yourself out on YouTube and you're not actually putting your brand on YouTube, you're going to be left behind. And this is the reason why I emphasize that SEO on YouTube is priority for your business. It is the only way to actually get your business on the first page of Google, because if you type in a query, if you type in an inquiry on Google and you see your video comes up at number 1, that's because you have a video on there. And if you noticed, something that you really need to notice is that the videos that come up on the first page of Google are the videos with people actually putting their own faces on them. So there is no shortcut when it comes to creating a video. There is no way you can actually automate. You can automate your videos. You can create AI generated videos, but there's going to be a lack of connection between you and your audience. And that's just the hard truth that you need to accept. So I highly recommend, whether English is your first language, or if you are speaking another language, if you're from a different country and English isn't your first language, then speak in your own language and create videos in your own language, because YouTube isn't just English. It is all languages, and there's less competition in other languages. So you can still build an audience in your own native tongue. You can still build an audience, speaking about things that you are an expert at, and you can still rank videos very quickly, as opposed to doing SEO for affiliate marketing. But don't get me wrong, local SEO is still very easy to get into, because local SEO is less competition, and less competition means that you can get away with ranking things very quickly. So I wanted to drop this video as the truth about SEO and the truth about digital marketing in general. Social media is always going to be faster. There's people that can get 1,000 followers very quickly if they are authentic on both YouTube and on Instagram. But it really boils down to how authentic are you, and what kind of content are you actually putting out, right? So don't depend solely on automation tools. Put yourself out there, put your brand out there, put your content out there, and you will see results over time. So with that said, I hope you got some value from this. Leave a comment below what your focus is, and I would love to hear from you. But with that said, I hope you have a great rest of your day. And in the next few videos, we're going to be talking about app development. We're going to be talking about social media marketing. We're going to be talking about other strategies that I'm using to actually get yourself on the internet. With that said, I hope you have a great rest of your day. Thanks for watching.